Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. So, yes, holidays are here, and we are here live again, and just having a look like what's going on in the market. So, yeah, market is a bit, uh, yeah, market is going just steadily moving. Like there were a little bit movement, upside down, and but I must say, uh, not very big movement to be shown in the market from last uh, couple of days. So yes, let's have a look on the market. And before we start our today's session, yeah, I strongly, definitely, as I mentioned earlier, and every time I used to mention that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile market. So do your own research before you trade. Moreover, try to do on demo trades. Learn first, then learn first, then you earn. Okay. Moreover, yes, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial expert. All you need to do is just to understand the market and do your own research before you do the trading. So be careful, guys. It's a very volatile market. You need to be very careful while performing the trades. So yeah, that's what is needed to be mentioned. And moreover, yeah, there is a link in description, so you guys can just join in my bio. You guys can click on the link to join my community. So that's the way we are just starting to grow our community, and we are just trying to make things better for all of us all together. So yes, we are live on YouTube and TikTok. We go live every day. So yeah, thank you so much for joining, Mr. Patlu Trader. Um, okay, so yes, that's what I was just talking about. Always do your own research before you enter the market. And let me check. So the pair we were trading last week on last weekend was very. We just made a small amount of profit. So I'm just going to perform live trades on my live account. So that's my live account actually. So yes, let me set this up a little bit. What's okay. So yes, that's the pair we were just trading before last weekend. So there was a big moment I have just seen in this. See, these are the support and resistances which I have drawn last weekend on Friday. Let's remove this for now. So before we start trade, yes, let's have a look of the momentum of this coin. So yeah, that's a good potential coin for now. Let's see the RSI first, actually. So RSI is okay. RSI is in good shape, I think. Yes, we are doing short-term scalpings. So in short-term scalping, we always just try to grab in few candles. So that's the way we do the scalping. And moreover, let me just check. Yeah, that's the good. Uh, it's that's a good opportunity, I must say. Let me check 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, RSI is very in favor. In 15 minutes, yes, it is. So we are going to enter the long position from here. Uh, let's check out 5 minute time frame. So on the 5 minute time frame, yeah, it's still in my favor actually. Uh, Potentially this coin has a potential for this if this one touches 10.15. Let's check. Let's check. Okay, so what are we actually doing from last couple of days? Actually, we are just trying to, and I'm just going to perform live trades on my live account. That's my live account. So, people were just mentioning like I'm just doing on the demo account. So yeah, for just before that actually I was just trying to encourage people to do the on demo trades. So that's the way they can learn and then they can earn. Even I perform the live trade on my live account. This is my live account, and I always just prefer to just use very small amount of margin, like maybe 1% or 2% of your portfolio, using just 5 to 10x leverage. So that's the way you can just save your protect your capital. As this is, I always mention to everybody, even my community, my friends, everybody around, the people who know me. I always just request them to please use small amount of margin and small amount of leverage from the market. So that's the way you can just protect your capital. And one more thing, which I have figured it out, actually, we can just open the isolated trade. So that's the way. If you don't put your stop loss and you don't judge the market, so that's the way. If something goes wrong, so okay, it's 2% of your portfolio, let it go. Instead of just placing the cross trade. So cross means you're compromising all of your capital. So don't do that if you are new, and if you don't judge uh, the stop loss and take profits. So that's the way. Just try to use 1% of your capital and gradually grow it every day instead of making double in a very quick way. So I am more of like I always mention I am more of like motivational trading instead of instead of trading. So so motivational speaker. So let's see. Okay, so that's the pair what I am looking for. So it has potential to go a little bit up. So we are just doing the scalping in this one, and we'll try to grab in a very quick way. So let me set this up somewhere around here. Okay. So yes, so what's going on? Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, before we start trading, so before we get into any trade, let's talk about some news, what's going on in the market actually. So let me just give me a minute. Actually, holidays are here, so everybody's just enjoying. I'm just away from my home actually now, and just having holidays and just spending some time with you guys. So that's why I am here for you guys. Okay, so let's see. So for now, let me check if I can have all right, all right. All right, guys, one more thing I should have to mention again. This live stream is just for information and for just for fun, and you guys just have a look and enjoy the way I do trade. So I'm just telling you, it's kind of like uh, just for fun. It's not a financial advice. Don't follow my trades. Please do your own research before you enter the trade. It's my request for to every don't give money to anybody to do trade for you. Just do it by yourself. Learn first, then you can earn, of course. It's a request to all of you guys. Moreover, yes, we are going to. Okay, so let me set this. So it's 29th of December. So yeah, New Year's here. We are just going to enter 2026. So just let's make 2026 uh for best for you guys. So I always just try to encourage people to just set your goals, set your targets for every new year. So and try to run after them and try to chase them and do as much as effort you can afford to do. So yeah. Moreover, let me check. Mm, mm, uh, yes, okay. So yes, let's see what's going on. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's talk about few things. Yes, before we start enter the trade, yes, let's talk about today's market. So yeah, it's kind of relief really. One said like the BTC, of course, BTC is just like just hovering around 90,000. So it's 89,000 and 90,000 in just between that. And Ethereum is on 3,000. Yeah, it's just 3,000 and 3,000 something like $525. And global market cap, of course, as expected, because the holiday period is here. So yeah, the people are just taking the money out and just staying away from the market. So that's the way the market is just, of course, it's now 2.97 trillion. So it's still like on the lower side for now, touching after like 4 point something trillion and like two months back. So yeah, at the end of the year, yeah, everything market just a little bit settles down and just stays quiet for like few days. Then it starts moving, of course. Then people used to add money if something big, something good is coming and it's moving up. And if something is not right, then of course there are different factors that um, yeah. So one more thing, yeah, fear and greed index. We always discuss. So currently, of course, the fear factor is already higher side. So it's 24. So yeah, it's on the fear side, not the greed side. But comparatively, like 3 4 days back, it's just better than 3 4 days overall in this week. So okay. And what's going on? Let's have a look. So yeah, it's a pre-New Year thing. I'll set up your pre-New Year thing, like kind of thing. So that's the way you can just have. Yeah. Yeah. One more thing. Let's not forget to mention the BTC current support level is at 87,400, somewhere around there. So if it breaks down, then it could touch to like 80,000 maybe in if it crosses that support level. And of course resistance is for now it's 90,000, somewhere around 500. So if it breaks that, so the next benchmark is yeah, is a 100K. So yeah, that's the way it is. And what we have to do is, yeah, we have to just keep an eye on the market always. So that's the way we can just have a look to the market and keep our eye on the market. So that's the way we can just protect our capital and be safe in the market. Um, yes, moreover, let me check. All right. Mm, okay, so the market situation. Let me just clean it. I don't know why it's not clean. Okay. Okay, looks better now. That was not clean at the moment. Okay, so yes, let's talk about the trade. So what we are going to do is we are just going to perform the trade again, and let's see if we can grab an opportunity again to trade any pair. Yes, let's see. And moreover, we are just going to let me. Okay. All right, guys. So the pair what we are having right now is okay. Let me just set up one more thing for you guys. There is a problem on the screen, so let me just move this one up and this one down. So that's the way you can see the pair better way in the better way. Okay, so I think that's better now. Sorry. All right, so let's talk about the pair. So actually, the pair what we are looking for is we just want to have a look on the pair. It's HUSDT. The pair what I am doing is uh, but for now, let me check what can we get from this pair. So the moment is very steady. I think we can have grab a small amount of profit. Uh, yes, there is a chance. Of course, there is a chance for this one, but this drop is very like risky at the moment. So maybe there would be a chance for this one to go maybe a little maybe a more a little bit down. But let me open the position for now. Okay, so I am going to open a long position using, let's say, let's say Let me check. Okay, how much can we utilize for? All right. I'm using $300 of my margin, almost $300. And no, for now, I'm using $150, almost $150. So just going to open the long position from here. Now I am in the position. So let's see. So I'm performing the trade on my live account using my, I, I'm using isolated margin for now. So my liquidity price should be somewhere. Let me show you guys. My liquidity price is 0.142. So it's like very near 142. So, but I am using the leverage from the market is 10x only. So that's the way you can protect your capital. Also, always just try to be safe, guys. Try to protect your capital and use minimum margin. So that's the way. That's the only way I think. That's the only way I must say actually. It's you can just keep yourself safe. And So I have just entered the position from here, and we can set up. I can set up my TP to 1.0.160. So that's the way I can just make like 30, $40. I have used $150 just because of the reason is we are already if the trade if market is very volatile, I always see the coins like what kind of coin I'm just going to trade, and that's the way if trade goes wrong, so there would be a little bit margin for me to do the DCA. So of the maximum 10% is my target that I can afford to lose. So yes, and let's see what's going on with the trade. So we are already in the position for now, and it's my live account. You guys can see. Let's see how much money we can make in this trade. Let's see what we can get from this trade. So this is a live trade. You guys can see. I have logged on to my real account, and that's the way I can perform the live trade for you guys. So you guys would have a better understanding that how that my trade goes. So if it goes right or wrong, it will be in front of you guys. You guys can have a look, and you guys can judge the way I do trade every day. And yeah, let's see if it goes right or wrong. Maybe yes, we can see later in this video in the live session. And for now, it's going good. We can. I use just 10x leverage from the market. So 10x means that that's the way you can just save yourself. And try to grab small amount of profit instead of like hunting for bigger profits and run after that. So yeah, let's see how much can we make from this one. All right, guys. So yes, so we are in the trade, and let's see. Seems good. Uh, should we put our top stop loss at the break even? So that's the way it always hits my stop loss. All right, guys. What do you suggest? Like, should I have to put my stop loss at this mark or at my break even? So no, let's keep it continue for a little bit long period of time. I just want to keep my uh, I don't know, like I think I should have to open like uh bigger trade. I just use very small amount of margin, but let's see. Okay, and what do we have here is, sorry, my bad. So the trade is here, and it is in, we are in trade. Let's see how much can we grab from this one. So I have just drawn the TP at the previous stop in just like 15 to 20 minutes time frame. So let's see if it touches our TP or it's gonna hit our SL. So what we are just going to see is, for now things are in our control, I think. Yes, let's see. But if the market moves a big movement, so then we should have to just look at the market first. Let's see if it goes right or wrong. Hmm, what's going on? Yes. Okay. All right, guys. We are in. So it's so see the movement, like movement is very, very steady for now. Uh, and of course there is a chance. Okay, one more thing we can do actually. We always have to set like what we should minimum percentage of our trade when it goes positive side. Let's say you want to make like 5% or 10% of your capital, so yes, you can make it. And uh, but of course, more risk, more reward. One more thing, on the other hand, you can check like for now, let's say my this trade is like 2% positive now. I should have to set my target. Like, should I close it on 10%, 15%, 20%, maybe 100%, maybe 200%? Yeah, that totally depends upon you. And that's the way you can just slowly and gradually increase your capital. I strongly recommend you guys to just try to increase a small percentage of your capital every day instead of uh, you know instead of doing like double in a single day. Don't do that. Strongly not recommended. um, Moreover, let's see the trade. Okay, for now it seems fine. The RSI is in our control. EMA is also good. The momentum of EMA is shifting, but I have very good hopes for this coin actually. But let's see where does it takes us. Always try to grab small amount of profits, small percentage of like 1, 2%, 3% of your capital every day. And yeah, all right. So there is okay. Meanwhile, let's talk about another pair. We will see. Let's talk about truth. So the previous one, made a small profit from this one actually. Yes. So where does it stands? It is in the right mark, I must say, to open the long position. Yes. You guys can see the 1 minute time frame. One more thing, I don't recommend people to just form multiple trades in one go. Yes, you can do it. You should avoid it actually. Mm, The mark is very. Let's see 5 minute time frame. Hmm. The 5 minute time frame shows the indication that it's already on the higher side. If we see the 15 minutes time frame, so there are chances this can come a little bit down. Let's talk about 1 hour. Yes, there are chances for this one to come a little bit down if you see the previous movement of this coin. Always do the backtest. So that's the way you can understand the buyers and sellers trend of intentions for this one actually. So yes, 1 hour is not in our favor, but if we see one day, yes, it's in our favor. We can open the trade. But let's wait for this one to come a little bit down, maybe somewhere around 0.098. Okay, 0.00098. That's a good price to open the long position from. But it can go up a little bit from the position it's right now. But that totally depends. All right. So what's going on our previous trade? Yeah, previous trade is just falling down. Let's see. I'll show you. That's why I just opened the trade with almost half of the amount I wanted to open the trade. So I just want to multiply it with like the same amount of money to do the DCA. I just wanted to make my position a little bit big, so that's why I just took that as CN. Uh, there were chances for this one to come a little bit down, but for sure, if you see the longer pattern in the longer run, for the 1 minute, for 1 day time frame, yeah, there are good chances for this one to go up. And if we see the 1 hour time frame, yeah, see the potential of this coin, yeah, it can come a little bit down, but in the broader perspective, if you see, it's for sure going up. And where it's going to go land for now. I will do the DCA at 1.5. No, not now actually. Let's keep it continue to, if it crosses this, let me draw the resistance here, support here. So here is the support for now actually. So that's the support for now. If this one crosses this line, then it's going to fall down a little bit. But there is no volume in the coin, so yeah, in the longer run, yeah, there are chances for this one to go up, of course. But you see, the RSI is also in our favor. We can do the DCA from here actually, but I don't want to do it for now. I would just want to multiply my position for now actually. So that was the, what's the time frame? Okay, 5 minute time frame. Okay, let it cross this support for now. If this one crosses the support from this mark, then we will do the DCA. What's going wrong? There is a potential actually. There is no big, like, I don't know. There's no big volume in this one. It should not have to move that way actually, but it is what it is. And let's see where does it takes us. All right, guys, this video is just for entertainment purposes, for fun. It's not a financial advice video. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial expert as well. So, yeah, always do your own research before you enter the market. So that's the way you can learn first, then you can earn, of course. And moreover, you can just click on the link to join the community. Yes, we can learn together. We will learn together. We will talk to each other and discuss some strategies, some procedures, and the way of trading. Always, of course. All right. So yes, see the support is here, and should I do the DCA for now? I'm not sure actually. Let me check if I can do the DCA. Should I? Um, no, let's wait for a while. Maybe it will cross the support on the downside. So I just want to wait for a little bit. Meanwhile, let's talk about truth. Meanwhile, let it go for now. My liquidity price is 0.142. So if it touches that price, then that means my margin size is $167. So that would be wipeout. So, okay. So So I'm going to risk like almost $350, 360, $70. So I just want to do it with 1% of my portfolio. So yes, I can risk my 1% of my portfolio. I can do the DCA, but I just want to do the DCA if the price goes a little bit down. I'm not going to do the DCA for now. Oh, so let's keep this trade continue till the end of the session. Maybe we can close it in the very mm, positive side for now. And let's see. Let's see. Uh, okay. Okay, so go a little bit down if you want to, so I can do the DCA at this mark. Actually, we are, yeah, BTC is just it all depends upon the BTC. So yeah, BTC just falls like in this hour and just falling down. I don't know. BTC is like there is not much volume in BTC for now. That's a surprise actually. And yes, let's see. So yeah, today's lowest was 86,760. And of course the higher side is 90,300. So yeah, that was a good potential. Yeah, I think I should have to do the DCA, but let's keep it continue. I just want to double my position actually for now to just increase my profit percentage to show you guys, and just doing this on my live platform. So that's the way you guys at least uh understand like I'm doing it on the right thing actually, instead of doing on demo account. So yes, that's it. Okay, let's see. Let's talk about. All right. Okay, so what's going on here? Let me check. Okay, so the price is just moving a little bit up, but yes, it can go a little bit up. It has potential because the BTC is just hovering to like that price. 87,200 for now. So yeah, potentially yeah, it's moving up. Okay. So do we get that it right? I just want to keep it continue till the end of the session actually. Let's see how much we can grab from this one actually. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, today now the fear index is 27, which is good actually. There is a good chance because the BTC, sorry, 30. So fear index is just increasing towards the greed side. So yeah, uh, that means less fear and towards going to more greed. And of course, it's the BTC dominance, and the market is just moving according to BTC. BTC is just moving like 58% of the market, 59% of the market. So BTC has a good dominance for now, and the meme coins and the smaller altcoins are having just like 29%. So yeah, they cannot move the market. Of course, BTC has a dominance value. Yeah, that's the way BTC is just moving the market, of course. And why it's doing that? People are just moving money. There are holidays. Yes, everything just related to that. And let's take a look on the trade, what we are into right now. Yeah, we are in a good shape. Let's see. Okay, so what's going on here? All right. Guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And moreover, there's a link in description. You guys can just click on the link. And in bio, yes, there you can just connect with me. With my just join my community. So yeah, let's build a community together. So we help each other and just learn trading. I learn from you guys. You learn from me. We have good platforms to learn the thing. Don't give money to anybody, not even a single penny to anyone. Just do learn the things first, then sure you can just perform your own live trades instead of just giving someone your money. Don't do that. Do your own trading by yourself. Always do that. Moreover, not sure. Hello, Karnain. Yeah, how are you doing, bro? Good. Hopefully you're good. Yeah, we are just not actually doing any trade. Actually, I just perform. I was just hanging out and just wanted to spend some time online with you guys. That's why I just got live. So there are holidays here, so you guys can just keep enjoy your holidays and stuff. And yeah, we have just traded one pair. I just opened the position, but yes, it's going up. It will go in my favor for sure. But uh, what we're trading is yes, you can see on the screen. I have opened the long position. The market, this coin was went way up, and I was not expecting for this one to come at this price today. But yeah, it happens because BTC was on the higher side, the 90,000 plus today. So and but now it's just hovering around 87,000, went to 86,700, somewhere around there. So BTC is on I must say on the lower side. And of course, if BTC has dominance in the market, so BTC just can move around. And BTC can move all of them with, of course, because of the dominance. So that's why I just took the long position for of this one. So it's not always right, but most of the time, yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's right. There are chances. But for now, we are just going to grab small amount of profit from this market. We are just going to open like maybe $50-$100. That's all. Not more than that. So I was just having a look to the market. The market was I found it like in my favor to open the long position at this mark actually. This for this point you can see. I just wanted to do the DCA where I have just drawn the support, but I just missed that. So I just wanted to increase my position actually. I just opened it with like $170. I just wanted to open like for $300, but I just keep the margin of the same amount the trade I open. So same amount of the margin. I just wanted to keep it on the backup. So that's the money I can afford to lose, of course. I was just planning for this trade to use $300. So initially, just open it with like 100, half of my uh, planned margin. And if it goes wrong, so then I can do the DCA. So I can just move the price and double my position and just can, understand. Yeah. Uh, yeah, but the market is not like moving like long or short somewhere around. We cannot confirm it yet. It's just moving sideways. So yes, in like meme coins and altcoins, yes, you can just perform long, short, whatever you want to. Just looking at the price action and the trend of the coin for that movement. But for the BTC, of course, we cannot confirm it yet, and there are holidays, so I think we should wait for like maybe 1 week, and within 1 week, hopefully, more things will be better. Give us more clarity. So yes, let's see. So where are you from actually? And how's your trading going on? So I think you have mentioned like your favorite pairs are Ether and BTC. I'm not sure you mentioned it.